There's a big seagull over there. He just landed on the roof, then he's moved to a fence. I wonder where he's going to go next. Oh, he's gone onto a shed. There he is. He's quite big, isn't he? He's just having a little look around. I've not seen a seagull around here. We're not that near the sea. There he is, look. He's probably going to come right for me. Oh, he's on the garage now. Top of a roof of a bungalow. What's he going to do? Big bird, isn't it? Big unit. It's a big old unit, that seagull. I'm trying to keep it steady. He looks like he's just having a little nosy around and wondering what to do. Or looking for something tasty. Hope he doesn't eat me spuds or onions. I don't think they're going to dig the spuds up. Come on, seagull. There were lots of little birds on the roof. The longer roof bit, and I think they're a bit nervous of this seagull. Oh, there he goes, look. He's gone into the garden now. So yeah, that was that. Just done the watering, and haven't seen the deer for a couple of days. Got some flowers coming on there, on the tomato. Oh, I just heard his wings again. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to try digging up a couple of onions on Sunday or Monday, and maybe one potato plant, and just see what's there as a bit of a kind of a test run.